Many successful homebuyers start their mortgage journey with richmondcustomhomes.com. Planning to build your own home? You'll likely need a construction loan, and here's how it works. Unlike a traditional mortgage, a construction loan provides funds in stages, known as draws, as your home is being built. During construction, you typically pay interest only on the amount used, not the full loan. Once the home is complete, the loan is either converted into a standard mortgage or replaced with one. Lenders will review your credit, income, builder plans, and timeline before approval. Construction loans can be more complex, but they give you the flexibility to build a home tailored to your needs. With proper planning, they're a powerful tool for turning your vision into reality. For more info, Dwayne Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647 804-212-8663. Dwayne at coast2coastmal.com and visit richmondcustomhomes.com.